My name is Jamison Williams. I am in the 8th grade. I am 13 years old, and I'm from Houston, Texas. My GT project is about IT engineering. IT engineering is the work of developing or troubleshooting computer programs and systems. IT engineers work on different projects in groups. They can also help fix computers in homes, businesses, and online. An IT engineer oversees the different computer systems and projects for an organization. IT engineers may be involved in all aspects of computer systems in an organization, including planning, designing, implementing, troubleshooting, updating, and repairing. IT engineers generally work in an office or a lab. This is the motherboard. It holds and allows communication between many of the crucial electronic components of a system. A motherboard usually contains significant subsystems such as the central processor, interface connectors, and other components integrated for general use. This is the central processing unit. It is the part of the computer that retrieves and executes instructions. This role contrasts with that of external components. This is the random access memory. It allows the computer to temporarily store and access data immediately. This is the solid-state drive. A solid-state drive is the storage device that uses integrated circuit assemblies to store data persistently, typically using flash memory. This is the central processing unit's cooler. Computer cooling is required to remove the waste heat produced by computer components. This is the power supply unit. A power supply unit converts main AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal components of a computer. This is the graphics processing unit. A graphics processing unit is a specialized electronic circuit intentionally designed to accelerate computer graphics and image processing. This is the case. The case has multiple fans and holds all the components of the computer. The fans are to intake and outtake air to help regulate the temperature. Alright, so right now, I'm installing the central processing unit into its socket. You never want to touch either the bottom or the top of it. You align this gold corner and you don't need to put any pressure, just let it fall. And then you lock it up. Now you install the storage. So you want to unscrew this one screw right here. It's time to input the storage. So you see the socket right here. You take it, align the little notch, and push it in. Then you get your screw that you just took out, and you push down with it and screw it back in. So now you want to install your random access memory. So since I only have two, you want to undo the notches of the 2 and the 4. To input it, you align it, make sure that it's aligned with the notch, and you push down until they pop up. And you do that exact same thing with the other one. Nice and inputted. I just installed 16 gigabytes of RAM where each stick is 8 gigabytes. So now it's time to install the central processing unit's cooler. So you want to unscrew each of the other screws that are to hold down the notches. Does not want to come out. There's one. There's 2 screws on each side. Okay, so we have both of the notches off. So you will align your screws right here. Push down to make sure that it's in. And you start turning. To make sure that it goes all the way down. And it's tight. Now it's gonna need to stay to be real tight and down deep to where it doesn't pop up, and it can make sure that it cools. It missed. Make sure that this is in. Now you want to take this socket right here and bring it to the part of the motherboard socket where it says CPU fan. You want to make sure you plug that in, and then you can tuck it away under the logo to make it look better. Now, time to put in the GPU. And it is in. Now it is time to test it. So I'm display cable, and the power supply cable. Now it's time to cut on the power supply and cut it on. And it works. Now you will have to download a licensed Windows product. This will give you all access to Windows and what you would want to do on a computer. Thank you for learning about IT engineering and building this PC with me.